Hello, today we will prepare the popular shop section in our homepage of FoodPanda app. So let's start. First of all, we will prepare the deal badge. Deal. And the text will be regular 10 and we will add it in our style, text style guideline. Regular 10. Clear style. Done. Shift A. Auto layout. This will be 6 and this will be 2 and the radius will be 30 and we will give a fill color, primary color. The text color will be white. Done. Same as. Perfect. Its name will be badge and we'll make it as a component so that we can use it anywhere we can want. Okay, then we will take the images from Google. Bengal Mart, Bengal Mint. This logo will be perfect. Bengal Meat, then Meena Bajar logo. Yeah, this will be perfect. Copy image, paste. Then daily shopping and Panda Mart. Perfect one. Then Panda Mart. Images. This Panda Mart. Yeah, this will be perfect. Yeah. The image's height and width will be 84 and the radius will be 8. Done. This image is too much big, so we can take it in a frame. 84 and we can scale the image. Yeah, 84. Control X and put it in this frame. Yeah, this one perfect. The radius will be 8. Done. Same as we can do it for the Meena Bajar logo. First scale it 1, the height will be 84. Yeah, 84. Control X, put it here. The FoodPanda image delete. We can also crop this one. Let's try. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, and this image is already perfect, not very too much long, not too much big. Yeah, 84. Radius will be 8. Perfect. Now we'll make the text. Bengal meat. Bengal meat. DSS. Mirpur. Maya. The text color will be black 90, and the text style will be medium 12. Okay, done. And 35 minutes. Text color will be black 50, and the text style will be regular 12. Done. Shift A and the space between 8. Perfect. Take the image and auto load. Shift A. The space will be 12, and the width will be the width of the image 84. Yeah, this will be fill container. Text will be also fill container, and middle align. This will be also middle align. Perfect. Yeah, 4 will be perfect. Now can take a copy of batch, Control S, Control V, and we can fix it here. Yeah, perfect. Same as daily shopping, Control V, delete the image. Perfect. Daily shopping, Kolhapur, 25 minutes. Same as Panda Mart, Control V, delete the image. Yeah, Panda Mart, Maypur 1. Done. Same as Meena Bazaar, Control X, Control V, delete the image. Perfect. Panda, no, Meena Bazaar. Done. Take all of them together and make auto load. Shift A. The space will be 16. Done. Then Control D. Yeah. No space. Yeah, done. Control X. Control V. Yeah. Done. Popular shops. But the image is not looking good, so we can give a fill color 5%. Now looking great. So today, yeah, so we'll be back another video very soon, so stay with us and please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.